Hello all, welcome back. Let's move on to the questions. The first question is matching. Column 1 it has herbarium, key, museum and catalog. Herbarium is a place where dried and pressed plant specimens are mounted on sheets or kept. And key it's a booklet containing list of characters and their alternatives which are helpful in identification of various taxa. Museum, it's a place of having collection of preserved plants and animals. Herbarium, it has only plants, but museum, it has both plants and animals. Then catalog. Catalog is a list that enumerates methodologically all species found in an area with brief description, aiding identification. So 3412. 3412, it's the fourth option. Question 2. The label of herbarium sheet does not carry information of. It has date of collection, local names, it has name of collector is there. Thing it's not there is the height of a plant. Question 3 matching. It's about the housefly. Family of the housefly is Muscidae, order Diptera, class Insecta, phylum Arthropoda. Moving on to question 4. Study the four statements A to D given below. Select the correct statement. Definition of biological species was given by Ernest Mayr. Photoperiod does not affect the reproduction in plants. No, it affects. Binomial nomenclature was given by R.H. Whitaker. No, Carolus Linnaeus. In unicellular organism, reproduction is synonymous with growth. Right. So A and D are right. Question 5. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following contrary to the rules of nomenclature? The names are written in Latin and are italicized. When written with hand, the names are underlined. Biological names can be written in any language. No, biological names can be written only in the Latin language because it's a dead language. There is no change further made, which is not correct. Incorrect statement. Um, a museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. No, it does not have photographs. It contains the specimen itself. Question 7. Common characteristic between tomato and potato will be maximum at level of the year. Tomato it's Lycopersicon esculentum. Potato Solanum tuberosum. They both belong to family Solanaceae. So common thing is family. Which one of the following organism is scientifically correctly named, correctly printed according to the international rules of nomenclature and correctly described? Musca domestica. Common housefly, not the lizard. Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing the most serious type of malaria, right? Felis tigris, Indian tiger. No, it's a Panthera tigris. Felis is a cat. E. coli, it is Escherichia coli, not Entomoeba coli. Which one of the following animals is correctly matched with the particular taxonomic category? Tiger, tigris, species. Tiger is Panthera tigris, tigris is species, it is right. Which one of the following aspect is exclusive characteristic of living things? Exclusive characteristic. Isolated metabolic reactions occur in vitro. Increase in mass from inside only. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Increase in mass by accumulation of material both on the surface as well as internally. They're asking exclusive characters. So, third option. 11. ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on basis of their ability for. They are asking unexceptional interaction with environment and progressive evolution, reproduction, growth and movement, responsiveness to touch. Responsiveness to touch is unexceptional. 13. One of the most important functions of botanical gardens is that They provide beautiful area for recreation. One can observe tropical plants there. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. They provide natural habitat for wildlife. Botanical garden most important. It is the ex situ conservation of germplasm. Species are considered as the basic units of classification. Biosystematics aims at the classification of organisms based on morphological characters, delimiting various tags of organism and establishing their relationship, classification of organism based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of the studies, identification and arrangement of organism on basis of their cytological characters. Biosystematic aims at the classification of organism based on evolutionary history and their phylogeny. Third option. Question 16. Which of the following is less general compared to genus? The order is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum or division, kingdom. So, less general means the species. Book Genera Plantarum was written by Benjamin Hooker. Taxon is the unit of a group of taxonomy. Linnaeus is credited with binomial nomenclature. Sequence of taxonomic categories is division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. Term phylum was given by Cuvier. A group of plants or animals with similar traits of any kind of rank is a taxon. A taxon is a taxonomic group of ranking. Basic unit of a taxon is a species. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called binomial nomenclature. The term new systematics was introduced by Julian Huxley. The final question is the static concept of species was put forward by Theophrastus. Thank you.